Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how to run powerful AI models right inside VS Code. Just you, your code editor, and over 40 free AI models sitting right there, ready to go. That's exactly what NVIDIA NIM gives you. And today I'm going to walk you through the whole setup, step by step. Let's get into it. Real quick, before we jump in, NVIDIA is hosting a bunch of top-tier AI models on their own servers and giving developers free access to them through API endpoints. We're talking models from providers like Meta, Mistral AI, Google, and more. And the best part? You can plug these directly into VS Code and use them just like you'd use GitHub Copilot, except you're paying absolutely $0 for it. Alright, step 1. Open up VS Code. If you don't have VS Code on your machine, you can install it by visiting code.visualstudio.com and click on Download for Windows and just install with default options. Once that's done, open it and look at the left sidebar. Click on the extensions icon. It looks like 4 little squares. You can also hit Ctrl-Shift-X on Windows or Command-Shift-X on Mac to open it directly. In the search bar at the top, type in NVIDIA NIM. You'll see the official NVIDIA NIM extension show up. Click on it, then hit the install button. That's it. Seriously, step 1 is done. It takes about 10 seconds. Now for step 2, open your browser and go to build.nvidia.com. I'll drop the exact link in the description so you don't have to spell it out. Once you're there, you'll need to sign in or create a free account. Just hit sign in or create account, fill in your details, and you're good. The account is completely free. After you log in, click on your profile icon in top right corner and click API Keys. Click on the Generate API key. Just name your key and the expiration date and hit Generate Key. You're going to see a long string of characters pop up. That is your personal API key. Do not share this with anyone. Copy it to your clipboard right now. Step 3. Head back to VS Code. Open up the GitHub Copilot chat panel. You can sign into the VS Code using the Sign In button located on the top. Simply use your Google account if you don't have the GitHub account. I'll go with GitHub. After signing in, it will redirect you to the VS Code again. Once it's done, look for a small button that says Auto. Click on that. Then go to Settings. Inside Settings, click on Add Models. You'll see a list of model providers. Look for the NVIDIA NIM option. Click on it. VS Code is going to ask you to enter your API key. Click into that field, paste the key you copied earlier, and hit Enter. And just like that, you'll start seeing all of NVIDIA's free endpoint models populate in your model list. Close out of the settings window. Now here's where it gets fun. You have access to around 41 free models. That's not a typo, 41. You've got models for coding, reasoning, summarization, chat, all kinds of use cases. To get started, I'd recommend going with DeepSeek V4 Flash. It's a solid all-around model and it handles most tasks really well. In the search bar, just type in DeepSeek V4 Flash and click on it when it shows up. Now go ahead and type something, even just say hi, just to confirm the model is responding. If it replies, you are fully set up and ready to go. You can also switch between models depending on what you're working on. NVIDIA NIM makes it easy to explore and experiment without any cost. Alright, I want to be straight with you here because I think it's important. These models are free, and they're being accessed by millions of developers around the world. So sometimes, not always, but sometimes, the response time can be slower than what you'd get from a paid service. It's just the nature of shared free infrastructure. So here's how I personally use it. I use the free NVIDIA NIM models for planning my projects, brainstorming ideas, writing documentation, and working through logic. Then when I'm in active build mode and I need fast, reliable responses, I switch over to a paid model. That way I'm spending the minimum amount possible while still staying productive. But if you're okay with a bit of a wait, you can absolutely use these free models for everything. No judgment. Free is free. By the way, this is NVIDIA's Nematron AI model that I am using here to build my SaaS app for free. And that's the full setup. 3 steps. Install the extension, grab your free API key, connect it to VS Code. You've now got access to over 40 AI models without spending a single dollar. If this tutorial helped you out, go ahead and subscribe. It genuinely helps me keep making content like this. I'm always looking for the best free AI tools and workflows so you don't have to. See you in the next one.